Namaskar dosto. So in this video we will talk about that how to be fluent in English language. So speaking is a art and English is just a language. So it's not about the knowledge. If someone is speaking in English, then it doesn't mean that he or she is very knowledgeable person. But yeah, he or she has done a lot of hard work to speak this language. If this language is not his or her regional or vernacular language, so definitely if someone want to learn this language, then of course he or she will have to do a lot of hard work, practice, and things must be in a right direction and in a proper way. So for that, I'm here to let you know that how you should start and how you will be perfect in speaking English language. So for that, you know, there are a lot of things and there are a lot of strategies which you have to follow. But the thing is that eventually it must be work. So what will work for you? I think I can't say surely that it will work for you, but yeah, there are some common things which will work for everyone. If you are a beginner and you want to learn this language, of course you would be beginner, then that's why you would be very interested to learn this language, and you have seen that what is the importance to speak this language, to write this language. So you know very well, and this is the reason you are interested to learn this language. Okay, so what you should do if you are a beginner? So firstly, you have to start thinking in English language. For example, as you speak your regional language, your vernacular language, maybe it would be Hindi. So as you speak in Hindi, so you think in Hindi, you speak in Hindi. So for that you have to think in English and you will able to speak in English. So how you have to think in English? For example, if you are doing something, and if you are finding something, then try to find out the English meaning of that particular thing, of that situation. And at the present time, it has become very easy to learn English language, because if you have if you have this device, mobile phone or laptop, anything which you use, so you can use those device in a proper way to learn this language. You can use ChatGPT and Gemini to master your English speaking. So if you have any word, any sentence which you are not able to frame, or you are not able to find the exact English meaning of that particular things, then you can search on the Google, on ChatGPT, on Gemini, and yeah, so you will able to find out those things. And you can also ask for some sentences. For example, there would be a lot of things, there would be many things which you do on daily basis, so you have to just speak those things in the English sentences, and try to find out the word meaning, whatever you want to use, and try to frame those sentences, and just use in your English speaking. Because as you speak your Hindi language, in the same way you have to speak in your English language. So I think these are the things which you must do on daily basis. And yeah, you can do one more thing, that you have to just learn. You have to learn 10 words on daily basis. There may be words from the any newspaper, from any books, so you can use in your dictionary. You can add in your dictionary or in your notebooks 10 words on daily basis. And you can also note down 5 advanced sentences as well, and try to wrote them. I think yeah, this would be best way to speak this language in a very less manner. And if you want to be perfect in a pro level, then you have to watch my videos. I have uploaded videos regarding the tenses and their basic uses. So you can watch videos on YouTube which I have uploaded recently. and because I'm teaching in offline mode, and if you are interested to join my online classes, then definitely you can WhatsApp on my WhatsApp number. There would be a WhatsApp number in the description, so you can do WhatsApp on that particular number. And yeah, these are the things you must do at the present time, and in the next video I would explain many things which you should do to learn this language. Thank you.